Just to let you know that through the year, we will be handling revision lectures, sessions. You are able to ask questions in the chat to every event on the platform. You can see the schedule of those events either on superexam.uk or on the actual SuperExam platform. And those who are subscribed to a package, we recommend you to watch the lecture first. And then if you have any questions, in the lecture bundle, there's a reference exactly to the next lecture on the same subject. So you can ask questions in advance, and we will, or just specify something that you struggle with, and we will structure our revision lectures around the same. They won't be as lengthy as those initial lectures, so it will be something around 45 minutes, 1 hour. So it won't be as heavy, but we will try to be very productive to tackle all the issues that you face. Maybe with something there's some difficulty, maybe something should be explained more in details. We will also focus on multiple choice questions and different exam techniques for the SQE1, and partly for SQE2 if you want to. Otherwise, we have skills lectures on the SuperExam as well for the SQE2.